What's up, guys? We're back at the Parker Performance Garage here today, and we're bringing you hashtag not just Mustangs. A lot of guys know us and love us for doing S550s, and of course we specialize in that, and we're here to help you with those Mustangs, but we also do things like this Nissan 370Z. This customer came to us with a 3P Airlift airbag system to be installed, front kit, rear kit, and management system. This particular customer didn't want to do anything custom in the trunk. He's actually going to be having a stereo system added at a later date. So we were able to hide all of the components and keep everything low key for now. But as you see, she's laid out. This is a pretty straightforward install for us. This is just like doing a coilover setup as far as doing the front and rear suspension. And then of course there's the additional labor required for wiring up the compressor, wiring up the manifold, running all the bag lines, and of course placement of the equipment in the trunk. For this particular vehicle, it does come with full strut assemblies in the front, and then the rear is a divorced piece where you have the bag set up on the control arm, and then you have the strut in its own location. This particular setup on this car wound up being a single compressor, chrome with the raw 5-gallon polished tank. And if you'll step back here, Ricardo will show them what that looks like. As you can see, we kept it low key. Everything's completely hidden. If you didn't know that this car was on air when you looked inside, you would never know until you start pulling the carpet and the trunk panels. And now our secret has been revealed. Here we have the 5-gallon polished tank. We have our P-trap, we have our single compressor, and our manifold. Now we've done some custom stuff here for this customer. Like I said, he is going to add a stereo system here in a very near future date. So we've gone ahead and coiled up all of his stereo wire, which was already in the vehicle. We've got it all underneath and through our install so that he can then have the stereo amplifiers and subwoofers installed back here. But we kept all the components hidden. The vehicle already had some Dynamat placed in the trunk here for the stereo. We created a peekaboo window here from the manifold and compressor side to the compressor, to the tank side, and that allowed us to run all of the air lines out of the vehicle and all of the wiring for the stereo. Okay, and on the inside, we actually ran the controller inside through the tunnel here for the center console, and we came out through the cubby hole here in the center console above the radio. And so now the owner is going to be able to stow and go and conceal all the wiring and the harness for the controller. That way when let's say he's going to the grocery store or at work and he wants to store all of this, it could be completely hidden out of sight. Okay, so that is the 370Z, and that is the Airlift 3P system that we've installed. This particular vehicle, you can, with the 3P system, you can actually, you can access that through your Bluetooth on your phone. There's an app that Airlift provides. Zach, if you'll hit it, you can go ahead and hit this remote from your phone, and then you're hearing the compressor kick on to fill the bags. This is this vehicle's ride height. That's just one of the services that we provide for our customers. When you come to us and you buy your Airlift, we're going to get you set up with your Bluetooth settings, we're going to get you set up with your ride height settings, we're going to get you set up with your aired out settings, we're going to get you set up with auto on, so that way when you turn the car on, or auto up rather, so that way when you turn the car on, it's going to go ahead and lift. We're going to take care of all that for you. Don't forget, we are your performance company here, and we have Airlift 3P systems for your vehicle.
Sirius XM Chill from Sirius XM.